Hi there, it's Anna from Kingsbridge, just sending you a quick video of our stunning 992 GTS we have in stock. This is a very, very special car, £45,000 worth of options. It's in absolutely stunning condition, supplied by Kingsbridge previously, and we've recently brought it back. It is the most incredible spec we've ever had and finished in the most sought after colour, in my opinion, the Arctic Grey. It's got the factory fitted Aerokit. It's been serviced last February 25. It's in beautiful condition. Ceramic brakes on there, a £9,000 option. Michelin Pilot Sport tyres all round. The condition of the paintwork is lovely. It has got the factory fitted front end PPF. Has got a little bit of swirl marking there, but that could be polished out. I mean, it's just the PPF has done its job. You've got the LED matrix headlights on there. It's also got front lift. GTS interior pack. The spec list is just incredible. The interior comes with 2 keys. And the crayon seat belts, crayon stitching on the seats as well. Sport Chronos. You can see there the mileage is 10,890. It's got the BOSE sound system. Let me start it for you. And it sounds absolutely incredible. You've got the sports exhaust, Porsche dynamic chassis control as well, sunroof, all important sunroof, Alcantara headlining. It's in immaculate condition inside, as you can see. And that sports exhaust sounds fantastic. Very minimal stone chips on the PPF. It is just a little bit swirly, I would say, but other than that it's really nice. And there's one there, and these lights were on to show everything. Paint's in lovely condition. Obviously it benefits from having the front lift, so you're not scuffing it. Unmarked alloys as well.